Guys, go tayo ng cucumber again here on this side. And how big is it? Yeah. Continuation ng aking cucumber. It's huge. It needs to pick. Wala na siyang kunin. See? May itinanim. May aanihin. Oops. Here's the one. Hiding. Big. Nice. Let's see what I got now. I think it's already full. Oh my gosh, just for one day I got a lot. Ayan, ang dami kong nakuha. Then we'll pick the tomato. Then pick the tomato. This is Roma. This is Roma. There's another one. And that, guys. Let's pick this. Sakit ang likod pala mag-pick up. Pick ng tomato. Kuha tayo ng zucchini. Look at that, guys. Ang dami kong nakuha. Kuha ako ng zucchini. Zucchini is huge. Oh my goodness. Ako ng zucchini. Ang laki. My goodness. It's huge. Very, very huge. Kunin natin to. Pinakamalaki.